Saw you in Landor that day. Especially love this. Welcome back to the channel, guys. And today is a very special day because we are going to.
Yo guys, what's up?
We are going to Uttaranchal for a fest of sorts, and there would be a lot of super bikes, super cars, and we are waiting for someone to pick us up for now.
Yeah, waiting for an hour.
We have a ride with us today. Look at these alloys. Dang.
दीदी तो ताकना पड़ता है रात में। चलती नहीं भयंकर इसमें साइड में दिखता है यूजन मसूरी लेके।
Modified Swift by Adi, and we came in this big boy. Look at the alloys on this, man. And I won't even tell you guys what's happening. But dude, all of the bikes, that's a front and this is a very beautiful looking party. Okay guys, if I'll ever buy a super bike, I am never coming to such kind of shows. Even if I come to this kind of shows, I am never going to rev them. This is brutal, man. This is brutal. Even if I have the money, I can't. Even if I have the money, I just can't do this, man. This is so stupid. Okay, on the other hand, let's show you guys a very beautiful BMW 1300 GSX. Oh my god, this bike is so fucking massive. The engine is actually popping out. That's why they are having these rails on the bike. We have lovely Hayabusa GSX R 1300. Looks very clean. Daytona 675 if I'm not wrong. And yeah, that's mostly it. We have all the super bikes. I'll give you detail about super bikes, and also look at the new one, man. I'll just show you guys the new one clearly. That's much over for it. This one right over here. It looks super clean. I would say super clean. The new 1300 GSA. Okay, I think it is a GS, not a GSA. Not really sure, man. Not really sure. Okay, guys, I can barely show you around. It is so loud. Even my voice is getting damped out because of the super bikes and the cars. Man, this is actually too much, I would say. There are so many bikes that have guys some very beautiful clips. But man, I'll show you guys the clips. Wait, I have to literally shout in the camera. I have to talk to you guys. That's a lot on the engine, but that's why they're having super bikes. If they can afford super bikes, they can actually get them serviced and repaired again and again. So that's more like it. On the other hand, I have no idea what the fuck is actually going on. Okay, wait, I can't even make videos like this because they are so loud. You can see Ninja 300, that's not really a big thing. This is a big thing. Hayabusa 1300 GSA. Then we are having a 390, RR310, a Benelli, and a Z900. That's not it. There's also a Z1000 right over here. Right over there. That's doing a burnout. We have cars by Keshav, Aditya. Oh man, they are so loud. You can see right over here is the Suzuki V-Strom. Then we have a MV Agusta. Why not? A stock GT. People with proper gears. Very much needed. And there are some super bikes. I'll show you in a bit. Okay, we surely have a couple of great bikes. 10R, MV Agusta F3, Duke 390, Bentley 600i. That's the new variant. The current variant. That's the current variant of 10R. A 765 RS, another 10R. Then we have the beautiful Z900 by Shashank. Then we have an R15, another R15, Z900, 10R, R15. There's also a R15. So that's more about the lineup. Also, a lot of bikes that came have already gone. So that's a 14R, that's a Dominar. And yeah, that's more about it, guys. We have a lot of beautiful bikes, guys. We surely do have them as the major bikes. I saw you in Landau that day.
लैंडमार्क में अच्छा तुम लोग मिले थे.
Yeah, the guy in the KTM.
अच्छा KTM वो पूरा जर्सी वाला.
You remember? That's great. I especially love this one. This particular ZX10R right over here is my favorite. It looks super good, super stylish. Looks good, right? Especially these, and the stickering is crazy, man. This is my favorite ZX10R in Dehradun currently. I've never seen a better one. Also, this one is the new C900. Last time we met him, Shashank Bhaiya and Landor. This is a new variant. Looks freaking cool, man. Some cool tank pads. Not on the sides. Today he didn't really burn up the tires, and it's very loud comparatively to the other Z900s in the show. It's very, very loud. We're also having a ZH2 right over here. This is one in Uttarakhand, if I right? It's the one in Uttarakhand, right? This is owned by Dragger.
4 to 5 in whole India.
Oh man, he look at this, man. Look at this.
Rim bend है
Rim bend हो गया?
हाँ
I don't think so.
हाँ हो रहा था देखा हमने पालुआ में.
Maybe. So he'll get a new one, right? Not a big issue for him.
For him.
Yeah, that's the ZH2. I didn't really like the red wrap on this. I think the original color looks much better, but this is also decent. Then we have a Street Triple RS, one of the most favorite, right? One of the most favorite bikes in the market.
Power to weight ratio सबसे best.
Exactly. Feels good, looks good. I have ridden it, but not really up to the point where I can just tell you guys कैसी है. Another ZX 10R looks lovely. We surely do have more bikes. This is a Harley. I think it's a modified Sportster if I'm not wrong. I'm not really sure about that. And this one also caught a lot of my eyes. This one is the MV Agusta F3. MV Agusta F3 and it looks super clean, as you can see. We also have S1000 RR. This is the new variant. This is the new variant if I'm not wrong about that. Then full system arrow. 310. This one got totaled by the way. Another 10R, C900, a GT, and that's mostly it. And yeah, that's it. We have another event coming up in DIT, so I'll make sure if I can get an entry in that one. So yeah, I'll meet you in the next one.
Hello.
What do you say?
Hi, my name is Diya and subscribe to my channel.
Hi Parul.
Hello. मैं आप पिंपल पे तूने बिंदी हो रखी है उसमें जूम कर दिया तूने.
Awesome.
लगा दूंगी. आसिफ लिंगेसन की एक्टिंग में. आइए.
अरे इतना पास हुआ है.
ऑलरेडी तेरे पे जूम कर. अरे पहले दिया को
Welcome back to the same spot.
बहुत मिली है यार. बहुत ज़्यादा. 8 बजे से इसको उठाने के लिए. ये क्या है? मेरा सर ना अंडे जैसा लग रहा है.